So we're going to continue from where we left off, which is this. Remember that our goal, for those of you who are just joining us for the first time, please go watch my other videos. Let me show you where they are. You go on my YouTube channel, Bab Academy, go on that, and then you go on my videos, and you can see I posted 2 flex videos 2 days ago. This is part 1, watch it. This is part 2. So we continue from part 2. I said 2 out of 3. My goal is to make all the next videos, finish it off in the third one, so that might take some time. So bear with me. All right, let's continue. Enough talking. So I'm gonna first change the background of this of this to make it look like that, white basically. So let's see. We need before we even do that, the food content is from here to here. Is from this div to this. The food contents doesn't have the price. All it has in it right now is just the description. But as you can see here, it needs the title and it needs a footer, a heading and a footer, basically. So let's add that first before we do any type of description to things. We can add, actually my goal is, we can say, let's see, okay, let's add the title first. We can say food content, food title. Just call it food title. We don't say food content title. Have I given this? Yeah, food content. So we can call it food title. And then in the food title we have a heading. And the heading has we can give it a tag by saying food heading. Food heading. And then the heading is healthy choice. Healthy choices. And then to make an emoji, I think it's Command Control Space. Yes, Command Control Space. Put an emoji there. And then inside the title, the goal is to make these 2 things. So right now I just did this. Now I want to do this. The healthy and the strong full tags. I'm going to call them full title tags. Or full tag, we can call them actually. So we can say food tag. This is a food tag. And then this hashtag healthy. And then we'll give it another class, say food tag 1. So that we can differentiate it from the other. Call it food tag 2. We'll call this strong. Not string, strong. Okay, now we have the heading. Let's see how that looks. Okay, that's nice. It's there. Don't worry. We're gonna flex it to make flex is what puts them in rows. So don't worry about that. Let's put our footer, if you want to call it a footer. Everything that's inside the food contents. So the div ends here. So it has to be right here. So next we can say the details. You can call it food details. The first food detail, as you can see, the first one is the calorie. So we can say details. So we can say food detail. First one. And this is not, let's call it a paragraph. No, that's not what I wanted. I wanted p dot food detail. Beautiful. And then I wanted to do the emoji because my goal is I want to span emoji. I want to design all the emojis. So command tab, Peter, and then give it a calorie, say 850 kilocal. Nice. And we can just copy and paste everything from here. Do 3 of it. Okay, this is good. Okay. Now, this one obviously is going to be different. This we can put how long it takes to make this. 30 minutes. This is the time. We need a time here. There we go. Next one is the rating of the food. 4.0 out of 5.0. That's not a good rating. I wouldn't buy it. Out of 5.0. And then we can put a star here. Done. And then we can say that let's see. No, let's see how it looks. Okay, beautiful. So now we just need to use Flex. This is the beauty of Flex. This is how Flex works. First, let me show you. Let me flex this whole thing, all of this. Not the price, the food contents. Everything here that says food contents. Food contents goes from here all the way to here. So I'm going to put all of this in a flex. So food contents. And then what can we say about the food contents? What can we, like how, first thing first, the background is white. So let's make that white. That's an easy thing to do. Background color, not background clip. FFF, done. Beautiful. Next thing, it's a flex element, so we can actually now let's display flex first. Flex. Justify contents is the main axis because we want it to be in columns. So the main axis this time is a line because we want it to be in columns. Justify contents. It's the cross axis, so we want that to be center actually. I should know. No, not center. Space between it. Space between. Okay, and then align items is the is the main axis. Align items, not contents. That is the main. That is actually no. I'm so sorry. Align items is the cross axis. Reason being is this. I know this is confusing, but let me show you something. Main axis in general is justify contents. Cross axis is align items. This is only true when the flex direction is a row. But once you change the flex direction to a column, this and this switch, basically. So this is right now. I'm going to change the flex direction. I want it to be a column because I want everything to be up, down, column. So hence the flex direction. So hence instead of justify contents being the main axis, it's the cross axis now. So align items is the main axis. So stretch them out. What else we can say? Give it a padding. Up and down can be 2%, and 1% can be left and right. And it's also a flex element. So I do want it to shrink, grow, and the size is auto. You might not see a big difference, but it is there, I promise. Notice how the picture just changed. Picture is now of a good size. Before I did this, the picture was small. Let me comment this out. Check this out. See how small the picture was. But now that we did that, perfect. Because this stretched out. I did stretch. So each item, there are 3 items in here. 1, 3 flex items. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3.